Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics quickly. Charge the headset to at least 50% and disable noise canceling and EQ presets so they don't mask problems. Once done, pair with a second device to verify the fault follows the headset rather than one source. Make sure you inspect software audio balance and toggle mono output. If balance is off, correct it. If the problem persists after these checks, you'll proceed to physical inspection and internal fixes. Don't skip pairing or balance testing first. Now you open the ear cup. Remove the cushion and 2 to 4 screws, keeping components organized. Once exposed, inspect the speaker wires, ribbon connectors, and solder joints for breaks or corrosion. These are the most common causes of one-side failure. If you see a loose connector, reseat it firmly. Use a small amount of contact cleaner on oxidized pins, and if you can solder, gently reflow any cracked joints. Make sure to use low heat to avoid damage. After repairs, partial reassembly allows quick testing. You finish by reassembling the cup enough to test audio under real conditions. Use both mono and left/right stereo test tracks to confirm restoration. If the speaker driver itself is torn or non-functional, replace it with an exact impedance matching unit and repeat soldering and connector checks. Once fixed, fully reassemble and verify long-term function. If the side still fails, try a different Bluetooth adapter to rule out host issues, or pursue warranty repair. This single troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.